Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E. It gives 24 hours of hydration, and what are the different ingredients present in this formulation, and is it worth purchasing this product? Before I dive into the whole ingredient list and start breaking down all the brutal ingredients that are present in this formulation, I would request you all to follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as an influencer and also as a YouTuber to grow. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So now let's begin with the ingredient list and see what are the different ingredients present in it. Okay, so before I dive in, let me talk a little bit about Pond's company. Pond's company, when I was living in India, was very popular. It's an Indian company, and I know that Pond's comes up with really interesting products, but they are high in fragrance. That's one drawback of the Pond's company that I don't like. And when I was young, I used to use their product, which was high in perfume, and it used to react on my skin. I don't know why, but my skin just doesn't like fragrance. It's something that my skin goes a little bit red, and it starts to show some, like reaction on my skin. So I am not at all a big fan of fragrance. When I started to do science and I got to do PhD, I came to know that this whole fragrance cannot be tolerated by everyone, and if you keep using fragrance for a longer duration of time, it can lead to contact dermatitis, and there is no coming back after that, because it needs to go through series of healing steps to get back that healthy skin barrier. That one thing that I don't understand is that the lack of understanding of taking care of the biggest organ of your body, that is your skin, and you apply a lot of fragrance, and that leads to contact dermatitis. So that's why I opened this channel, so that I can share my honest review about each and every product. So talking about this Pond's whole formulation, I was really happy to see that it is actually formulated for oily skin type, and there is no comedogenic ingredient present in its formulation, which is a plus. I'm really happy about it. But to be honest, when I was going through the whole ingredient list, I just saw some ingredients in the end, and I was like, these are not supposed to be here. If you see the ingredient list here, the first ingredient is water, and then there is dimethicone. Dimethicone is a silicone-based ingredient. It helps to retain that moisture into the skin. So it acts as a silicone barrier. So the water stays onto the skin. It's not doing any big of a job. It's just making a shield on your skin. Then there is glycerin and butylene glycol. These two are humectants. They are not as powerful as the hyaluronic acid, but they are really good as they help to moisturize the skin and take the water molecule from the surrounding and then penetrate it into the skin. In the sixth position, there is niacinamide. I was very happy to see niacinamide. Okay, niacinamide for oily skin type is a miracle ingredient. It helps with the enlarged pore, it helps with the fine lines, it helps to regulate the oil onto the skin. Very good. And it's in the position where it should be in the accurate concentration. I think it's less than 5% for sure, or else 5%, and it's the adequate amount of concentration to work with onto the skin types. And for the skin of color also, it's 5%. It's really good. You can also use it. Then in the middle of the ingredient list, you can see there is perfume. That's what I was talking about in the starting of this video, that Pond's company is unapologetic about adding perfume into its skincare. That is a big no-no, because there are people like me, sensitive, reactive towards perfume, who can't stand perfume. Even this is the mistake I've seen it in also Deepika Padukone's skincare, that is 82 Degree East. She has most of her skincare with perfume in it, high amount of perfume. Why do you need perfume? Tell me, why do you need perfume into your skincare routine if it can be reacting to some sensitive skin types? So perfume is something that is not going to be on my table. It's not going to be in my skincare. So this product from my side is a big no-no, because it's in a high amount of percent. I'm pretty sure that it ranges somewhere between 2% to 1% in this formulation. The perfume where it is placed, I think it's between this range. As I mentioned in their skincare formulation, that they also have vitamin E, that is tocopherol acetate here. It's an antioxidant, helps to remove the free radical from the skin, which can be used as a beneficial role for anti-aging purposes. Then after that, I did see that there are 3 different types of hyaluronic acid. There is sodium hyaluronate cross polymer, and also there is sodium acetylate hyaluronate. These all are like different molecules of hyaluronic acid. So some make like a barrier on the top and start to draw out water from the surrounding. Some penetrate a bit deeper into the skin layers and then start to draw out water from the surrounding as well as from the skin. So you need to make sure that you're drinking enough water. Then there is pentylene glycol. Pentylene glycol is also humectant, helps to moisturize. And after that, there is limonene and linalool. These 2 ingredients are acting as a preservative, but these are fragrance ingredients again. They already have added fragrance, okay? And then they are adding these 2 ingredients. So it is like high in fragrance. If they would have removed these fragrance ingredients and made it as stable, simple, and very easy to use moisturizer, I would have been a big fan of this moisturizer. Because on my channel, I like to speak about skincare, and I tell my viewers that they need to have 0% of any reaction. So for that, I'm not gonna suggest this for any skin type, not even for the oily skin, even though they got their basics right, but they messed it up by adding fragrance, high amount of fragrance, and also limonene and linalool. They just messed it up. So in my personal opinion, they need to remove this fragrance ingredient and this product will be really good. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below and I will get back to you with answers. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Make sure that you check different links in the description below if you want to know more about this product, and also click on the link where I am collecting the funds or else raising the funds to give it to the animal shelter. So please do be generous and donate some money. So thank you very much for watching again, guys. I'll see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.